Hey guys, in today's video we're gonna be going on and unboxing this iPhone 17. Now, no matter which, you got, whether how many gigs it's got, it's gonna be the exact same thing inside the box. So we're just gonna start off opening this up. So on the back, you guys are gonna see there's a seal here that we have to break open. And then on the top, there's gonna be another one as well. Once those two seals are opened up, there we go, we can take out the phone itself. All right, so here is the phone. I'm gonna take that out, and then we're gonna see exactly what you guys get inside the box. So here's the cable. Now this is just a charging cable, USB-C. Down here we have this guy. And right here, it does tell you, you no longer need a physical SIM card, which in my case, it's bad. I like my physical SIM cards plus having the eSIM, which the previous iPhone had. Now they changed it up where you no longer have that. So if you want to transfer your phone number here, you're gonna have to do it the eSIM way, which is easy, yes. But I think when you're traveling throughout countries, it's nice to get that physical SIM card. But at the same time, I get it. I get why people like eSIM cards, because those are just internal. They're built in, basically. All right, so all we get is the cable, and that's it. If you guys want wondering if you haven't bought an iPhone for a while, there's no brick anymore. Yep, there's nothing. You guys are gonna have to plug this into your computer or buy an adapter so you guys can plug it into your wall outlet. So I'm just gonna put this on the side for now. And before I keep going, I just wanna mention that there's a bunch of fake videos out there telling you to break the box apart, and I kind of always do. But there's no need to. There's nothing else in there. There's nothing secret. You don't get headphones. There's nothing inside the boxes besides what you guys just saw. Anyways, that said, this is a pretty nice color. Now, from what I can tell you, between the camera and what this color looks like, on camera, the color looks a little bit, well, actually a lot more vibrant, more colorful than what it actually is. On reality, it looks a little bit more toned down. So it's not as vibrant, okay? So it is a nice pastel color. And on the other side, it's the screen. I always like to take this last off just because I like to have my screen protector with me whenever I take this off, and I don't have one yet. So I'm gonna have to be very careful with it. So you don't even like the really, really little scratches that you get just from touching it. I don't even like those. But anyways, right now you guys can see how it looks like. Now, I'll show you throughout to see where all the ports are at. But honestly, I shouldn't even say all the ports because it's just one port and that's it. So I'm just gonna zoom in. So basically, that's the only port. That's where you charge it. Or if you wanna sync it to your computer, same thing. That's everything. Around it, button-wise, these are the side ones. And then right here, there's nothing. And then if you go to the side again, there's two more. So, well, I shouldn't call this one a button, but technically is, kind of. Now on the back, on the other hand, all you guys see are the cameras. So there's two. So that's a good thing, because if you guys want to watch my other videos, I do have the other phones, so I can show you how they look like, how many cameras they've got. So right here, two lenses. And yes, on the front, we do have a front camera as well. So let's just turn this on for the very first time so you guys can see it, because there's really not much more to show you. It's a very lightweight phone if you compare it to the iPhone Pro, for example. So that's going to be this button on the side. So to power it on, all I have to do is just hold on to it. And then we're going to see the Apple logo popping up. So right now it's turning on. And then we can go throughout the setup. Now I do have a setup video for this. You guys can check that out. So again, if you guys want to see the setup, make sure to watch that video. If you guys want to see this phone in action, again, make sure to check out that video, because this one just shows you exactly what comes inside the box. And as you guys can see inside the box, there's barely anything inside the box. So right here, you guys can appreciate the screen goes almost all the way to the edge. There is this black border. So it doesn't exactly go to the edge, which is a good thing, especially when it comes down to putting a screen protector on this, plus a case. You always want the case to go over a little bit. So hopefully they'll never go exactly to the edge, because then it's just gonna get harder when it comes down to cases for it. especially cases that actually protect this the right way. So all we have to do is just scroll up, and then we can go on with the setup. So I'm just going to show you. And then we can choose language and all that stuff and just keep going with the setup. But as far as an unboxing video goes, that's it. That's all I can show you. There's nothing more in the box itself. I'll just show you the cable again. So this is the cable that the iPhone 17 came with, and both ends is the exact same thing. You guys are not gonna see any Apple logos throughout it or anything else like that. Even if I zoom in, all you guys can see is some very minor information there. So let me just zoom in a little bit. So that's the most I can zoom in, and you guys can kind of see the writing there. So that's how you know if it's an original iPhone cable. Kind of. It's hard to actually see originals anymore, just because the branding isn't there anymore. It's very, very minor touches. So that's how the cable looks like. And that's all we get with it. So if you guys want to see the setup video, the manual of how to use this, make sure to check out that video. But as far as this goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.